Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to PROMIX a whitening face cream. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So guys, to PROMIX this whitening face cream, you'll be needing Habanese nail yogurt. I'll be using this as my base cream. This is a very good whitening lotion. It is formulated with nano white glutathione, yogurt extract, milk protein and snail secretion. This lotion is very good as a base cream for PROMIXing body lotion and most especially face cream. It doesn't contain a lot of oil, which makes it perfect for PROMIXing. And if you have an oily skin, then this lotion is a must-have. It is so light on the skin that once you apply it on your skin, it immediately sinks into your skin and you won't even feel like you applied anything on your skin. You can use only this lotion on your skin if you have an oily skin type. It is just perfect for PROMIXing face creams. If you select a cream or lotion that already contains a lot of oil as your base cream in PROMIXing a whitening face cream, it won't come out nice. It will only be oily. To be so oily, and it could even clog your pores and give you acne. So creams and lotion with less oil are best for PROMIXing whitening face cream. You'll be needing rose hip oil, which helps in hydrating and keeping the skin moisturized. It's one carrier oil that doesn't clog the pores. It's very good on the face. It brightens the skin. It boosts collagen formation. It reduces inflammation, hyperpigmentation, and it helps in protecting the skin from sun damage. This oil easily absorbs into the skin, so it is perfect for the face. You'll be needing tea tree essential oil, which helps in fading acne and it also helps in reducing itchy skin. You'll be needing 42 hours oil, which helps in whitening the face. It fades black spots and dark patches. Lastly, you'll be needing glutathione whitening serum, which helps in fading dark spots, acne and sunburn. It is a very effective whitening serum. So firstly, in a clean bowl, I'm putting 5 tablespoons of my Habanese nail yogurt, I'm now putting 2 drops of my tea tree essential oil, after which I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my 42 hours oil, Next, I'm putting half teaspoon of my glutathione whitening serum. Lastly, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my rosehip oil. Then I'm mixing. Guys, normally you use your hand mixer in mixing this so that the oil doesn't separate from the cream later on. I'm just using this spoon because this is a very small quantity I'm making. This is how you pro-mix your whitening face cream. If you follow this recipe in pro-mixing your whitening face cream, you will love your face. It won't only whiten your face, it will also unify your face. It will fade dark spots, dark patches, acne. It will just leave your face clear and glowing. You all really need to try this out. It's super effective with no side effects. If you have pimple, be sure to clear it completely before using this cream. This face cream is perfect to all skin types. You can just try it out and drop comments on how best it worked for you below in the comment section. This is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.